Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Technical Rajput blog. I hope guys you are very well. So today I'm just bring the information regarding not about the information guys, but there is a question and answer regarding the comment section. Many candidates have just comment on my video that I have just uploaded regarding the information regarding onboarding Infosys. But guys, there is a still waiting for the onboarding, no update by the company. At least this is the month is over, the May month is over. There is no update on regarding the information. Many candidates have received the joining of 22nd of May. There was the information, but there was not a information regarding the joining of the most of the candidate. I think so guys, there is only the little bit about the candidate who have just received the mail about the 22 May joining news or something like that. So there is a query regarding the information. Many candidates have just comment on my comment section, so I just solving the query in this form like that. Having the one candidate have is a hi bro, I got a selection mail from the Infosys on May 31st 2022 and I uploaded document my mark sheet on October 12th. When I will be get offer letter, I can accept confirm April or May. Reply please maximum members said reply please. So guys, there was a video I was just uploaded about the information. So this is the candidate have received the information about 1 year ago. There was a May 31st selection mail. There was an information like that they have a October 12th mark sheet after the April, May, June, July, August, September, October. There was a 4 month after delay. There was a joining of a when will I get the offer letter, I can accept confirm April or May. But candidate are just waiting more than 1 year for their offer letter or the so they just asking about that. And I gave an interview for a DSC role in September 2022 about the student from the July, and there was the batch. This is the batch of the September 2022, and after that I received HR mail regarding the ID verification on 7th Jan 2023. After that no contact has been made. What should I do, please tell. So guys, there was the information that the candidate that have received about the joining of offer letter. Just many candidate like that having the little bit candidate have received the offer letter, but guys, there was a no update from the company side. Even also I have also tried to contact with the company side. There was I've sent it of the mail, but they have not contacted. They also of their auto generated mail also this time they will not getting the information like guys. I'm just requesting you, if you get and receive any type of mail from the company side due to just upload of your document or something like that, so guys, don't be a delay with your onboarding or something like that, like having any received. There was a spam mail also many candidates have received from the another company like that, so please don't accept the offer letter also like that, having that the fake offer letter the sending by the many fake companies. So guys, there was a many student have received in May first week. Many candidate have like they having the information regarding the fake Infosys offer letter. My selection mail on to April 22. Still I am waiting which month can be accept. So guys, there was a no update from the company side. I am just requesting you guys again and again. I am just in a Bipro also I have just tell about that there was a no information from the company side. If I get the information then I will told. But guys, there was a hope in the last month when candidate have received the 22nd of a joining, but many candidate have just not received. And there was some candidate like, hey, I am do the selection mail on a 4th July, but I am frustrated for a joining date. How many days we just waiting? There are many people who got selection in month of May, June, July, and yet do not have date of joining. Many people have received deformation mail even fulfilling their eligibility criteria. Why they are planning with those innocent people who waited for a 1 year and now they are sent deformation mail? Some people are just waiting for date of joining. They don't depend on them. We know what happened in coming month. Hope you so understand. Don't give up hope, but also prepare for other companies instead. So guys, just they are the was just sending, they are just delaying onboarding again and again. There was a April session there. After that April session there was a no information in a May session also. This was the May session. Even the May session is going to be over in only the 10 to 15 day, 10 day is remaining. Just 1 year ago, May, June, July, even the candidates have just waited for more than a 12 month. They have not received any updated from the company side. So I hope guys, just I'm not giving you a hope, but I'm just advising you, or I'm just requesting you from my side that please guys, don't don't take any decision regarding this, like that having any company you have having the offer letter or another company, please accept that offer letter. Please don't wait for the Infosys also. So there was many candidate have just still waiting. Please tell me in how many days Infosys sending date of joining. My selection mail was 4th of July. See, same is here, bill the rejection mail of 4th July batch ever after having eligibility criteria. So guys, they were just canceling all the something like that, having their any cases like that, having something taking the review like that, just cancelling of the offer letter or the rejection mail have received many candidate that they are just onboarding the delay in many reasons, like having the not you are mentioning or not eligibility criteria, I'm not getting any information or not getting a verification background. They are just excuses from the company side. Just I have generated a poll how many candidate of Infosys have their joining on onboarding in 22 May they have received an email regarding onboarding. There was 66 have voted. I just get it. Received 9% candidate have received, not received on 91%. Even many candidates have just waiting for their onboarding, but company evenly not giving any responses or just giving their future, not about the advising or the like taking the another opportunity. So guys, only the 4 to 5 students who got in generated polls get received the information. I hope guys you're getting information what I'm trying to say, that don't wait for the Infosys. I'm just telling you guys, if you have any another opportunities, this was the season layoff. Many company have giving the layoff also. Onboarding emphasis have also doing the like they having the batch in batches. They were having the joining. Accenture also doing the same thing. They have just onboarding the delay, and Wipro also doing not giving the information about the elite phase or elite phase 1 phase 2. Even also Infosys is not giving the at least having the over than 40 days is over. There was a no information regarding the Infosys. Even the many candidate have given the information through the LinkedIn also, trying to reach with the LinkedIn mail or something like the Twitter. Going to they have just on onboarding delay on a Twitter campaign also. So I hope guys you have got all the information what I'm trying to say, that you will guys please don't wait for the Infosys, because last 40 days they have not given any information. So I hope guys you have any opportunities or another opportunities, try for that. Don't wait for the just like that Infosys, I think so. So if you go like subscribe or something like that, or you do want to do whatever. Thank you guys for watching today.